Stranded on this island.
Hey guys, it's Pat here at Manitoulin Island RC. How are ya? We are at beautiful Maple Point on Manitoulin Island. It is just awesome here. It's like a winter wonderland right now. So this is probably one of the best spots on the island to come for sunsets. And there should be a sunset coming up pretty soon, so that's why we came here, to check it out. We've got Rachel and the dog Archie, and she even brought her cat Luffy with us. So Luffy's first time out for a sunset. Yeah, ooh, I am making it up that. So I am still trying to baby this Pro. I really don't want to scratch it up, but I know it's inevitable, especially on the axles anyways. I want to keep this body nice and clean. Slush here. See, like that. I don't want to go too far this way because we're actually approaching somebody's private property, but I wanted to get around the point here so we can see the sun a bit more. Look at that, eh? Isn't that awesome, guys? It's a really nice spot to crawl too, because it's Boulder City, man. I'll never run out of lines and rocks to climb here. Challenging here. The tires are full of snow. And I'm on the rear deck. So that's not going to work. That's a bad angle. And nope. Hand of God. That one might not be doable. Let's try it like this. Nope. Still don't think so. It's worth a try. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ah, it slid backwards. I think if the tires were dry, it would have made it. Well, let's abort that mission. Whoa, tipsy. It's just sliding. The snow on the tires is really not helping at all. I thought I'd be able to make that transition there though, without sliding off the edge. Just gotta do it a little bit slower. There it is. Ooh. Come on, it'll settle. Just gotta get that front tire up there, front passenger side. And there we go. That was awesome. I'm not even sure where I'm going here. There's Rachel and the dog. Just chilling. Oh, they're awesome. No, that's a little too hard. That should do it right there. There we go. Ooh, that's slushy. That'll pick up some snow on the tires. Oops. That's okay, it'll make the cool flames. Alright guys. Last little obstacle and then I'm gonna say goodbye. Thanks a lot for watching Manitoulin Island RC. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit the like button if you like the video. And there should be more content coming soon. Thanks a lot for watching again. Peace out, guys. Cheers.